Let's talk about money. Brands have it, you want it, and brand deals could be the way to get it.
In this series, we'll talk about our approach to working with brands. How to pitch to them, how to price yourself, and how to negotiate that price.
And we'll try to answer some of the most commonly asked questions about that subject.
We are the creators of the Klein aber channel, where we empower young women to feel positive about themselves.
For example, by recreating ads from magazines or billboards and prove that you don't have to be a supermodel or a size 0 to be beautiful and happy.
So let's talk about why brand deals are awesome.
Okay, money, of course.
But it's not all about the money. It could be about creative potential too. A good collaboration with a brand could enable you to create a video that you always wanted to make, but never had the resources to.
You can also work with a brand long-term. It's much easier to work with the same people over and over again. And it gives you a consistent income. That means that you can hire a team and produce better videos. And also, you're very credible to your own audience, because you don't attach your face to every brand out there, but you're working with specific brands.
Your personality, your style, your expertise, your niche, your authenticity. Above all, your core values, what you stand for. That is your brand. So when a brand wants to work with you, it wants some of that authenticity to rub off on them. But you have to keep in mind, it works both ways. So really think about which brands you don't want to work with and which brands you would love to work with.
If you feel like you want to hide a brand collaboration from your audience, it is probably not a good match and a bad idea to go forward with it. You should be excited and proud of what you're doing. And if you hide what you're doing from your audience by not telling them about a brand collaboration, they will suspect it anyway. Trust us. There is no disadvantage to be transparent and honest about this stuff. Plus, depending on where in the world you are, you might be legally required to inform your audience about a brand collaboration. Just make sure to inform yourself and play by the rules.
We have always been very open about our work with brands. And in return, we got a lot of great feedback from our audience. They are actually excited for the opportunities we have. So the important thing is to think about the brand as an enabler. And when you think about that, think about all three parties involved. There's the brand, there's you, of course, and then there's the audience. So what does the brand bring to the table that really benefits all three parties?
Okay, you've got all that. But how can you pitch to brands? In the next video, we'll share our specific process that you can apply to your own channel.